how to edit and change your password on Hubspot, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit it and change it. First, open your browser, and now once you're here, click settings, and then here we'll find security. Click on it, and here we'll find password, your password settings. Click reset password, and that's it. Now type here your current password and then type your new password, and that's it. Just click reset password, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.